Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Microsoft Sphere, your weekly dose of tech updates and insights. So you've probably heard by now that Microsoft has been warning about some potential issues with Windows Server 2025. Specifically, when it comes to restarting your domain controllers, things might get a little hairy for IT admins out there. It turns out that after a reboot, these servers load up the standard firewall profile instead of the domain firewall profiles they should be using. This can cause all sorts of problems, like apps and services not working as expected or simply being unreachable. Now, Microsoft is clear about what's causing this issue. It's because Windows Server 2025 domain controllers aren't managing network traffic correctly after a restart. Which makes sense, but unfortunately, that doesn't necessarily mean the problem goes away on its own. Instead, admins are looking at some pretty straightforward solutions to get their servers up and running smoothly again. One option is just to manually restart the network adapter on affected servers, and Microsoft's actually given us a PowerShell command to do just that. Restart NetAdapter. It might sound a bit complicated, but trust us, it's worth taking a look at if you're dealing with this issue. And the good news is that Microsoft has already acknowledged that there's a permanent fix on the way. We can expect that to roll out soon. The other piece of advice here is to create a scheduled task so that your network adapter gets restarted automatically whenever one of your domain controllers is rebooted. Because if you don't, you might find yourself in a similar situation in the future. It's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to IT security, right? But before we wrap things up, let's take a quick look at what else Microsoft has been working on recently. From fixes for Windows Server 2025 boot errors and remote desktop issues caused by Windows updates, to new patches that address Active Directory policy issues, there's always something brewing over in Redmond. And if you're wondering about the latest security update, which caused some authentication issues when Credential Guard was enabled on systems using Kerberos PKINIT Preauth security protocol, well, let's just say it's good to know that Microsoft is on top of things. Anyway, that's all for now from Microsoft Sphere. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more tech insights and updates.